Good morning, students. So, students, today we are going to discuss some topics related with lesson number 3 of history. So, students, as you have learnt in your previous chapter about the Diwani rights. So, what happened after the Battle of Buxar? The British got the Diwani rights, means right to collect taxes, especially from the Bihar, Bengal, and Orissa. So, land revenue was the most important source of income for the company that designed its policies to generate more and more revenues from the land to meet the growing expenses of the company. So, in this chapter, we will learn about how the company came to colonize the rural areas, organize its revenues, resources, and made the peasant produce the crop that it needed. So, what happened in the beginning? The company was not interested in collecting revenue itself. The right to collect revenue in a particular area was sold to be the contractor for a period for 1 year. After that, what happened? The contractor was they did not bother to improve the cultivation. So firstly, the revenue collection system that was introduced by the British. Later on, the later was the permanent settlement system. So this system was introduced by the Lord Cornwallis in 1793. When in 1793. So under this system, Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha, under this system, the Rajas, we can say, or the Jamindars, they were supposed to collect the rent from the peasants, right, and pay a fixed amount to the company every year, and keep the surplus for themselves. Since the company was interested in generating a regular source of income, so the amount was fixed permanently. It was not subject to be changed. So what are the advantages of this permanent settlement? That it ensured that the jamidar remained loyal to the company, and it was easier to deal with the jamidar rather than so many farmers. But there are some disadvantages too. So the after this, the permanent settlement system benefited the landlords more than the government, and agriculture production that went down as the jamidar did not show any interest in improving the land. And what happened, that revenue was fixed, right, it was fixed and it was very high, and many jamidars were unable to pay it and had to lose their land. So what was this the permanent settlement? It was introduced by the Lord Cornwallis in 1793, where in Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa. So what happened in this system? Under this system, the rajas or jamidars were supposed to collect the rent from the peasants and pay a fixed amount to the company every year, right? So this is about the revenue collection system, right, which was started revenue collection system, which was started after the battle of Buxar by the Britishers. And after that, the permanent settlement. After this permanent settlement, Rattwadi system is there. So we will discuss about this system in my next video. Thank you.